Hey y'all, I'm Barry. It's my new cooking channel. Welcome. Today we're going to be talking about a new breakfast. Now I know y'all's used to slaving over a hot stove for minutes at a time, cracking eggs into a bowl, putting bacon on a plate with a bunch of paper towels. But I'm here to tell you that all that's gone. Me and my good buddy got together and we found this little thing called Jimmy Dean's Simple Scrambled Meat Lovers. Check this out. This thing is so sweet, dude. It's going to make you want to go out and get not one, but two of them. So check this out. Let me just flip this whole thing here like that. We got this quick old breakfast. Comes in a cup, already ready to go. And all you do, look, check this out. You peel off this instructions say to peel off the lid like so, and guess what's inside? What's inside? You got a cup of eggs, not one but two eggs, and they're real eggs. They ain't no fake eggs, right? Got a cup of that already scrambled up and ready to go. Then you got another thing in here, a package of little sausage crumbles with cheese in it and stuff like that. Now, if you was real smart, like my buddy is, you take some of them little onions and you chop them up and throw them in there too. So basically, all you got to do is shake this up, pour it in the cup like that. You got to take this off, right? Pour that in a cup right there, like that. And then you stick this thing in the microwave and you put it in there for, look at that, just put it in there for 50 seconds. That's all it says, 50 seconds. See that on step number 2? 50 seconds. Then you let that go around and around and cook. You pull that out. After 50 seconds, you open this thing up, and if you're strong, you can probably do it, but I had to get my pocket knife out and cut into her because I'm not that strong no more. Open that up and pour that in there. Mix it up. Pick it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Now, the instructions, we probably need to rewrite them a little bit because it says 25, 45 seconds. I went 30 seconds, and then I put my onions in, and I stirred that up and put it in there for another 30 seconds. Hey, I'm telling you what. This is something else. Look at this. That's what I'm talking about. And boy, is it scrumptious. Hot. Watch out. Anyway, that's today's special. Tune in sometime again when I'm going to show you all how to boil water. Bye.